Normally, I should just keep this a secret, but because I'm your girl, let me just spill, okay? So, there are these three free apps that have actually paid me. You understand? Now, I need you to understand that because they are free apps, you're not going to be making much. Like, in fact, that's one thing I don't even like about free apps personally, because some of these free apps, like the time and the data you put into them, ah, like it just seems like you're just exchanging your time and your data for the money. You understand what I'm saying? So that's why I don't really talk about free apps. But let me talk about these three free apps that have actually paid me, because I think this one, to an extent, now do well to watch this video to the very end, as the number three app is actually my favorite. Yes, and I'm going to tell you why it is actually my favorite. Okay, so let's go on. The number one app is actually this app called Bitcoin Blast. Now you can download this app from your Play Store. Now please note that two of these apps that I'm going to mention in this video, they are not for iPhone users. Okay, it's only available on Play Store, not on App Store. So something like Bitcoin Blast, now you can only find it on Play Store. Now just download this Bitcoin Blast and you will just find out what the app is all about. Please, I want to leave this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. In fact, this video is strictly for educational purpose only and should not be considered as an investment advice. In fact, in all of these apps I'm going to mention in this video, you don't need to put in 1 naira. You don't need to put in a dime. So they are free apps. And like I said, they're not going to make you rich. Oh, let me say two things I like about Bitcoin Blast and two things I don't like about the app. Now, the first thing I like about Bitcoin Blast is that you can get to, like, I can withdraw that very day I downloaded the app. Like, I can, you understand, withdraw that very day. The second thing I like about it is that it is easy. Just if you download it, you understand what it's all about. It's easy to navigate. Now, two things I don't like about it is that it uses data. This is what I'm talking about. It uses data. So you have to watch the ads sometimes. Like you have to not even sometimes, you have to watch the ads. You understand? And the second thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't pay in local currency, like in naira. It doesn't pay in naira. So just download the app, you'll find out what it's all about. Okay. And just for transparency's sake, I have not even made up to $1 from this app. It's what I'm telling you. Like, it is not going to give you so much money. I've not even made up to $1 from this Bitcoin Blast so far. And you know, one thing that actually gives me a lot of, like, something that boosts my earnings in all of these free apps is referrals, because I have a community already. So when I put something out there, I have a lot of people that are registering under me. You understand what I'm saying? So in most of these free apps I'm going to be mentioning, you understand, what boosted my earnings, you understand what I'm saying? What boosted my earnings is through their referral system. So imagine I've not even made up to $1. That's to tell you that what you can earn there. You understand what I'm saying? Now, the second app that has actually paid me is actually M Crypto. Now, from M Crypto, I will not say, I think I've made like up to $5, like so far, because I've been on M Crypto for a very, very long time now. I think it's should be over a year or almost a year, sorry, that I've been on M Crypto, and I have not even made, like, I've not, I'm very sure that I've not made up to $7 so far, but I've been withdrawing. And like I said, it is true, like, the referral system. That's because most of the times I don't even have time to do what this free app requires us to do. So for M Crypto, I will just go to my Play Store and I will just type in M Crypto. You see the app and you download it. Okay. All right. I think I will just leave the links to these free apps in the pinned comment of this video. So just check the pinned comment out. You're going to see the free apps. Now, the last, but of course not the least free app that has actually giving me some money, because this one, yes, and that's why I said it's my favorite, because it's the highest of the three. Now, I've actually made the truth and nothing but the truth, and I'm going to leave it here. I've actually made over $400. I think over $500 from Pink app. Yes. Now, if you don't know about Pink app, I actually have a video already on my channel that explains how Pink app works. Now, in simple and short term, Pink app is actually a live streaming app. Okay, it's a live streaming app that like there are different ways to actually earn through joining a party, going live, PK, and so many. There's so many ways, but you need to understand that, like I said, most of these earnings I got is through the affiliate system. You understand what I'm saying? It's through the affiliate system, okay? That is how I was able to get most of this money I made in all of these free apps. So you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, okay? Especially if you want to be getting more beautiful videos like this one, please subscribe, okay? And use 1 minute, just not even up to 1 minute, 2 seconds to actually like this video for me. Like this video, because when you like this video, it tells YouTube that this video is actually a video of value. So YouTube will get to push it out there. So just like this video. And if you have any question at all, do to drop it in the comment of this video, as I'm going to be responding to all of your comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do not take you people for granted. See you in my next one. Bye.